Hello everyone. Today I will present you what is a parameter and how we can create parameters. So firstly, what is a parameter? A parameter is a global placeholder value such as number, date or string that can replace constant value in a calculation or filter or reference line. So let's start and see this directly on Tableau Desktop. So I'm on Tableau Desktop in the famous data source named Superstar. And I want, for example, to display the top 10 of customers. So how I can do this? We can do it without parameters. So I can, for example, put customer name and I want to display sales. I will choose to display as histogram or bars. Don't forget to search, of course. And now I have the first or the top customers in my database. But my idea is to display the top 5 customers without displaying all customers. I can do it by filtering and including just these 5 lines, but it's not optimal solution. So what we can do is to check filter there, and rather than select customers from this list, I will use condition. I will use top, and I check by field top, and here we can specify how much customers I want to display in the top. So I have put it 5, top 5 of sales. So here we will specify which measure we have to use and which type of aggregation. So as default, it will be top 5 by sales. And I click OK. Oh, good. So I have now the top 5 customers. This is what I want. But the idea is how I can provide user the possibility to change the number of top customers. Sometimes user want to display 5, sometimes 10 top, etc. So how can I give the user the ability to choose how much top customers he want to display? This is possible using the parameter. So here, rather than putting constant, I will choose create new parameter. Then I will name this top customers X, for example, and I define my default value or the current value of this X. Then after I can define my minimum. So for me, it's more logic to have top 3 and not top 1. And the maximum will be, of course, for example, 50. So you have the possibility to have or to retrieve value from existing parameters, or to having values from existing fields. So in our case, we will use some constant values. Then I will click on OK, then OK. Oh, good. So I get here my top customers, and here I have 10 as default value. I can change this value from 3 to 50, and as you can see, my visualization change also. So these are my top 3 customers, and these are my top 15 customers. Okay, great. So thank you. I have showed you how we can use parameter to display top 10. We can use parameter in calculated field and other in filters also, etc., etc., in reference line. So don't hesitate to test what I have presented and give us your feedback. Thank you. Goodbye.